And most importantly, you get an AI insight, right? It's about you, like a brief summary, right? What is the assessment summary about yourself? What are your key strengths? And what are the areas that you can improve upon? And what is that you can do about it over next 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months, right? So it has already generated a business plan, a canvas. In less than 2 minutes, I'm able to identify 9 relevant problems in the marketplace, come up with a baseline of a business model, right? Now, I'm sure many of you are wondering, right? Oh, what about it's my idea, right? Privacy, everything. It only belongs to you, one, and we don't even store it. The reason is we use 124 encryption, your user ID, which is only when you log in, right? On the client side, we encrypt it. That means we don't store the data that you generate and produce. We only store the junk data. Without you logging in, it means nothing to us.